Sakto na eh. Okay. Hello. Okay, we don't have pizza sauce, so we're using spaghetti sauce. Good luck.
This is our trial pizza, mama.
Damo ah.
It's our first time.
Yeah. What's next?
Next we're gonna get the mushrooms.
Mushroom, bell peppers,
Sausages.
pineapple. I don't know if you guys like pineapple in your pizza, but we do. And mozzarella.
Pineapple on a pizza is a yes for me.
Walking downtown and I'm okay. He's got it all figured out. That's what they all say, yeah.
Mine.
Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm different. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm living.
And another one. And another one.
First batch. The second batch. Okay.
It's so good. You can feel the cheese in the pizza and the tomato sauce.
What are you doing? Crunching. Okay.
Satisfying sa inyong crunch.
Can you guys hear this one? Yeah, coffee. Tapos coffee.
Coffee and pizza.
Yes. Hello, ano na?
I'm cool. I'm hungry.
Me too.
Because guys, we don't have tomato sauce or tomato paste.
Pizza sauce.
Pizza sauce.
I posted on Instagram this one. Ask a question. So I'm gonna answer some of them. Wow.
Bye-bye.
First question, how to be you po? From my friend Beverly. I'm gonna link down below her channel. Go check her out. How to be you? I don't
How to be
know.
you.
I don't know how to be you. But another friend of mine, how to have clear skin. From Jason. Girl, hindi sige pulaw ML, girl. Hindi sige ka pulaw ML mo. Diba? YG channel, so meron din down below as well. How to have clear skin. Girl, filter lang na siya. Filter lang na siya, girl. Pero seriously, sleep, which I don't usually have, like 8 hours of sleep. Tapos, vitamins ang GNC, pero kind of expensive for me. So expensive. So I'm not taking it now, but my skin is really like glowing because I am taking it. Okay. Next, from my cousin. She asked me, ideal guy mo sa liuban. Ideal guy mo sa liuban. Ideal.
I don't know.
Ideal, hindi.
No.
Or you can't really expect to have an ideal guy because for me, when you say ideal, it's kind of equivalent of perfect. Like ideal is to perfect. So yun.
For you.
For me. Like when I say ideal, that's the ideal thing to do or that's the ideal person. I correlate it to being the perfect person, and I know that doesn't exist, so he's not my ideal guy. But you know, I'm number one.
Another one.
Hello, why so pretty?
Why so pretty?
I don't know. There are times when I feel like I'm pretty, but most of the time I feel that I look like a potato.
And I look like a tomato.
So yeah.
Tomato.
Anyway,
I have one question.
well,
If given a chance
to what?
given a chance to continue love to their YouTube, would you and why? Why?
Guys, fun fact. My first ever YouTube video that I uploaded was year 2015. That was the year 2015 when the big YouTubers were Anthony Moto, Zuela, Huge. Tapos, hindi ganun karami yung Filipino YouTubers before. Like, sobrang onti lang. Tapos, yun. Then, I uploaded kind of a lot. Like, I uploaded lots of videos and I don't know, because I don't have that confidence and siguro yung sobrang low ng self-esteem. Like, year 2015, I really wanted to do it. Like, I really wanted to. As in, gusto ko and I was really inspired by Bethany and Meg and Merida. As in, sobra. It's like a passion of mine. Like, I imagined being with them. Tapos, I don't know what happened. Siguro, it's like a personal issue. Tapos, it nag-stop. Then, but, this guy right here, like...
This guy right here sat on the wall. This guy right here had a great fall.
Even, like, pushed me. Like, I am so thankful for him because he kind of pushed me na go upload. Just like, okay, moving on.
Maybe this is your starting point.
pineapple on pizza kind of person, or you don't like pineapple in your pizza, because we both love pineapples on our pizza.
Hawaiian, baby. Hawaiian, baby.
My favorite pizza chain is Pizza Hut, so please sponsor us. I'm gonna call my friend. She's also a YouTuber, so guys, better check her out. Amuni ko na, kay sobrang tagal na namin gusto mag-collab. Because of the pandemic, we can see each other. So, I'm gonna contact her right now. I'm just gonna... Nag-ring. Guys, ring na siya, guys. No, she's not answering. Okay guys, we're back. Lobat yung phone ko habang tinatawagan ko yung friend ko. Girl, as in super chika kami na ganyan-ganyan. Tapos lobat yung phone ko. Sayang. But I'm just gonna leave Beverly and Jason's channel down below. And yun, thank you so much for watching. And I'm just gonna flash the picture here yung habang nagvi-video call kami ni Beb's Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. And we hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you guys want to see more of us, comment down below and subscribe.
If you have suggested better pizza,
Yeah, if you guys have suggestion how to make a better pizza, please comment down below because we need it.
and just if you saw something wrong about
We're not a professional chef or something like that.
that, Google.
Google. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. So if you guys enjoyed, please give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe. Give heart. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Guys, by the way, stay safe and
Wake up.
stay